Do you want to know how to remove a text from your video without blur in your CapCut? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So basically, first, you need to open your CapCut on your mobile phone and put a video on it like this. But in this case, I do not recommend using this method, but if you'd like to do this, it is the easiest method that I could recommend and I could teach you. So basically, we have text over here, which is on the right corner, and we just going to have to screenshot it and go to your web browser. Once you're in, search for watermark remover, upload the photo that you have taken screenshot. So it is already gone right there. So after that, you have to take photo or screenshot of that and go back to your CapCut and make it an overlay. Once it is cropped, make sure to overlay it and then go to the mask. Make sure to use the rectangle over there and make sure to resize it as well. And there you have it. You already removed the text from your video without the blur in CapCut. But I do not recommend this one because as time passes by or as time your video shakes or it is not that accurate, like for example like this. But if your video is unsteady, I would highly recommend this one. So that's how you remove a text from the video.